Gender discrimination. Any action that specifically denies privileges, opportunities, or rewards to a person or a group because of his higher gender is known as gender discrimination. The effect on the women. When a person's gender becomes a deciding factor for employment opportunities or benefit, receiving a job or a promotion is a form of gender discrimination. Gender discrimination, which occurs usually with women, it is a common type of discrimination happening throughout the world, including the developed countries. Why does this discrimination happen? The cause seems because of the culture through which we come to know who men and women are and what kind of relationship do the two have with each other. Our culture describes the work of a woman is inside home and the work of a man is the surrounding community. Our society treats our women weakly. Women are not just considered physically weak but considered weak in everything when compared with men. Different areas where women face discrimination. In education, women get treated unequally in the processes such as getting admissions, receiving financial aid, grading, housing, recruitment, classroom assignment, guidance, academic programs, counseling, vocational education, and discipline. In employment, many women have to face this problem in workplace where they get deprived of the basic rights at the workplace and often harassed by the co-workers just because they are women and not assigned jobs which they are capable of doing. Even bosses sometimes treat women unfairly in many workplaces where they are a minority. Therefore, women are always under the pressure from the work environment and even customers target the female employees. Discrimination in wages. There have been many situations where men and women do equal tasks while working, but still employers don't give equal pay for women. It also takes longer for women to advance in their career. The difference is merely because of gender inequality. Maternity and pregnancy discrimination at work. Some employers don't take pregnant women into consideration for their vacant place at their organization. Many women at their workplace hide their pregnancy just because of the fear of getting fired and getting demoted. Examples of gender discrimination around the world. Gender discrimination, also called sexism, exists in the severe forms. There are plenty of examples which we witness even. In Saudi Arabia, women were not allowed to cast votes. However, now this is not the case. In the past, women were not allowed to drive, but after many protests and fighting for their rights, they have claimed to drive freely on the roads. Many women are driving taxis and earning a living through this work. Although women are allowed to take part in the military, but they are not yet allowed to serve in the frontline comeback in countries like UK, Slovakia, and Turkey. Women are prone to violence, and the most obvious form is rape. Unfortunately, in many countries, it's a disgrace and the victim often commits suicide or the family members kill her out of shaming from the society. In many third world countries, women are hardly allowed to leave their homes and get basic education. The common form of gender discrimination is the wage gap between men and women, and it exists in the developed countries. They only make 77% of what men are earning, and this earning comes from the same amount of work. Tackling the problem of discrimination. Numerous new gender discrimination laws have been developed, and if women face any form of harassment or gets treated unlawfully, they have the law to protect their rights. This has given women some share to speak up about the oppression which women all around the globe are making use of when in such situations. According to the law, gender-based discrimination is a common civil rights violation that can take many forms. which includes unequal pay, sexual harassment, and pregnancy discrimination for women doing the same jobs as men, which most US women are all too familiar with. The law offers in-depth information on unlawful gender discrimination in a number of settings, including education and employment. These gender discrimination laws also protect the rights of transgender people. Importance of gender equality. Gender equality is linked to racial equality. Within issues like the gender pay gap, race plays a big role where white and Asian women earn more than black, Hispanic, and Native women. In the United States, black women face a higher risk of death from pregnancy-related causes due to lack of proper care. Helps in reducing poverty. Poverty rates are the highest among young girls because of this discrimination. As boys and girls get older, the gender gap in poverty gets larger because girls don't receive the same education and job opportunities as boys. When a girls marry, they often don't work, keeping women and their families trapped in cycles of poverty. When women receive better education, healthcare, and job opportunities, they can thrive. Therefore, investing in gender inequality is a sustainable, highly effective way to reduce poverty. It reduces human trafficking. While men are also victims of human trafficking, women and girls make up most of the cases. Women are more vulnerable and traffickers see them as easier targets. If women get better education and job opportunities, women and girls don't end up in trafficking situations. Gender equality helps to strengthen a country in stability and reducing poverty. Bringing out peace. Gender equality is closely linked to peace of a nation, even more so than a country's GDP or level of democracy. States with better gender equality are less likely to use military force, and when a country addresses major area of gender inequality like education and employment, it fosters peace. Conclusion. When every person treats the other gender with respect and integrity, then only we as a society can prosper. If you see someone in a difficult situation, approach them instead of ignoring the situation. A little investment in someone's life can tremendously benefit that person. So take the matter into your own hands and act when it seems necessary.